Good morning, America. Monday, March 27th, 2017. It's approaching nearly 11 a.m. in the morning. Here in northern New England, coastal southern Maine, this is Frank Margell under a bridge. Yes, northern New England, coastal southern Maine. This is a freelance video and you will find it at Frank Margell at youtube.com. If I strike a chord with you today, please do so and send me a comment and subscribe to my YouTube page. Thank you very much. And I do respond to your comments from time to time. Try to keep it upbeat and as clean as possible. I appreciate it. Thank you for all the shares. Once again, this is a freelance video. I'm out here in the public domain. I'm not affiliated with any business or enterprise that you may see in the video today. And it's raining on this Monday. Today's topic is no talk radio in Portland, Maine for 30 days. We're on day 11. And I have another topic to discuss with you, but let's go over the weather. Today, it's cold, windy, and raining. And it's going to rain tonight, most likely, and possibly tomorrow. That's the weather. And if you don't believe me, what you see is what you get. It's raining. Today's topic is no talk radio for 30 days in Portland, Maine. Today's day 11, and I've been sharing my views with you and my vacation from talk radio, Portland, Maine talk radio for the last 30 days. And what I decided to do was continue on my 30-day vacation this weekend and look for some articles or information, which is also referred to as free press. Yes, right here in northern New England, coastal southern Maine, I was looking for some information and I found some free press. And by taking a 30-day break from talk radio, I've had to look for information in places that I normally don't look, or I take it for granted that there are several views and opinions out there on the World Wide Web regarding the big city of Portland, Maine and the surrounding communities. So let's get right into the topic today. It's basically a subtopic. The topic is my continuing vacation from talk radio. But I would like to ask you all out there one simple question. And thank you for taking the time to answer this question. If you don't want to respond to my YouTube page, you may just answer it in your head. Hey, why not? Give it a try. Okay. One of the hottest topics that I found after scanning several articles and opinions in the area right here in northern New England, coastal southern Maine, is housing. That's right. It is a big topic of discussion, and it's mentioned in several articles, several free press articles that I scanned. I scanned opinions, I looked at political statements and views, planners, I looked at renters, I looked at landlords, and I came up with a wicked cool rainy question for you to respond to if you would like. And here's my question regarding the lack of affordable housing or housing for anybody right here in Maine's largest city, Portland, and surrounding communities such as South Portland. There is a tremendous amount of land in Maine. There are so many resources up here, and there is so much land to build on. It's incredible. Yet all this land is not being utilized, and all the city planners and the developers and the residents and everybody involved in this issue can't seem to come together and use what God gave us, which is this land and a gazillion trees to build homes. Why, you ask? Well, I don't know. Nonetheless, what the city of Portland is rumored to be doing, and the city of South Portland, is imposing rent controls on the residents, the landlords, property owners, anybody that wants to move to Sun and Fun, Portland, Maine, or South Portland may have to resort to living under a bridge. I'm sure there's some type of ordinance against that, but just for today, I am under a bridge. So here's my question. Are you ready? Is it unconstitutional for coastal Maine's largest city planners and managers to enforce rent controls on landlords, property owners, and renters? Okay, I'll ask you that question again. And please, send me a comment at frankmargell@youtube.com. I'd love to hear from you. And if you have a comment or view other than that, go right ahead and send it. Again, here's my big question, the big topic, housing, right here in northern New England, coastal southern Maine, on this Monday, March 27th, 2017. Once again, is it unconstitutional for coastal Maine's largest city planners and managers to enforce rent controls on landlords, property owners, and renters? Wouldn't it be easier to just utilize what God gave us, all this land, all these resources, all the trees, and build some houses? Yeah, what a concept, what an idea. I wonder what they did before the career politicians took over control of Portland, Maine. I wonder how all these houses got built originally. Perhaps the population up here can come together and grow and build and provide housing. That's my opinion. What's yours? Live from under a bridge on Commercial Street in Sun and Fun and rainy and cold northern New England, coastal southern Maine. I'll show you around here. It's wicked windy. I'll show you my temporary housing unit. It's this bridge. Isn't that wonderful? What a view. There's also a lack of gazebos in Portland. They could at least build some more gazebos, you think? Yeah. Live from Sun and Fun, Portland, Maine. Here's Commercial Street. This is Frank Margell. There is so much room up here to build. Why don't people just come together and do it? You have a great Maine day. No matter where you are in the free world, I'll keep you posted. You take care. This is Frank Margell, out.